Many students struggle with engineering because they are unable to connect the theories they learn in class to engineering practice outside the classroom. They have very little experience designing and building the stuff they learn about in class. At our maker sessions, our students get to learn basic electronics, basic mechanical engineering skills such as 3D modeling and printing, and by so doing, they are able to turn their ideas into reality. They also get to create very useful devices that they can potentially push into the market, or some use this to start entrepreneurial activities on and off campus. When the students finally learn to put things together, solder parts, and build their own model, I strongly believe that it brings them a certain kind of joy, and that joy is the joy that brings me to work daily. I believe that to be an effective engineer, one has to read his or her mind about the fact that engineering is difficult.
I am Nicholas Kobla Tali, Lab Manager, affectionately called Nick Furious.